At Technetics, we offer an extensive range of dynamic and static seals to meet every aerospace turbine requirement. Whatever your needs, we have a seal option designed to meet or exceed your specifications. The Technetics Group felt metal abradable seal material offers superior clearance control in blade tip and labyrinth seal applications, built to withstand extreme temperatures, functioning flawlessly up to 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. These seals can be customized to be conveniently pre-brazed into a seal ring that can be press-fit or bolted in place. Our contacting face seals deliver exceptional sealing performance. These seals accommodate significant shaft movement and ensure optimal vibration performance. Our non-contacting face seals are designed to fit in the same space as existing contacting face seals, but offer significantly lower heat generation and wear. These robust seals provide virtually zero leakage and do not require special coatings or materials, available in several designs to suit high-pressure or extreme vibration environments. Explore the advantages of our control gap seals. With minimal leakage across a broad temperature range and a design that tolerates unlimited shaft axial movement, these seals are built for longevity and minimal heat generation. Available in a variety of materials, these seals are ideal for a range of applications. Our brush seals feature a reduced wear rate for longer life, consistent flow for predictable performance, the capacity to operate at higher pressures, and offer significantly less leakage compared to labyrinth seals. Don't miss the acoustic felt metal, which provides high temperature resistance up to 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. This material is highly durable, corrosion resistant, and performs exceptionally well in wet conditions. Introducing the C-Flex seals, constructed from materials like alloy X750 and Inconel 718, these seals are built to handle a wide temperature and pressure range, suitable for both internal and external pressure applications. Their controlled loading and near 100% elastic recovery make them ideal for the most demanding tasks. And the E-Flex seals, also made from high-performance materials such as alloy X750 and Inconel 718, E-Flex seals offer robust solutions for both internal and external pressures. Their unique design ensures controlled loading and very low leak rates, tailored for challenging sealing requirements. Technetics seals, engineered for performance, designed for durability.